Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off ratings in photos to contribute to maps on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Maps. Now in the Maps setting page, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on Ratings and Photos. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off ratings and photos so that you can contribute to maps. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.